Hey guys, Entity Finance launched their Space Race Airdrop campaign, and today I'll be showing you how to join the campaign and earn as much Astro credits and rewards as possible. First thing to do is to create your Space Race account using the link in the description. Sign up with your email address, and next thing to do is to complete your onboarding tasks. So if you scroll, you will see several tasks to complete here. Once you've created your account, you earn 500 credits. Verify your email, watch a short video, can join the newsletter, connect your Multiverse X wallet, connect your Discord account, connect your Telegram account. Some of these tasks are optional, but the more tasks you complete, the more Astro credits you get. Once you've completed your onboarding tasks, you can start completing weekly missions. So click missions and you see several missions. So if you participated in the Super Blast Off campaign, you'll be familiar with the Space Race campaign because the Space Race campaign is similar to the Blast Off where you get weekly missions. In this case, new missions go live every Thursday by 12 p.m. UTC. So here you can start from mission 1, click it. Once you open the mission, you will see the mission article, read it, and answer the quiz questions to earn your point. But I've already done the hard work for you, so you'll find all the Space Race weekly mission answers in my blog, and you can also find them on my YouTube channel. You'll find link to the blog to get all the answers in the description. So once you complete missions, you earn loot boxes. To claim your loot boxes, click this icon and you will see your loot boxes here. There will be a button for you to claim if you have loot boxes. So that's it about the missions. For the prizes, click prizes. Here you can participate in some lotteries by earning tickets. As you complete missions and tasks, you earn more tickets which you can use to join lotteries. So once you scroll here, you can find some lotteries to join and enter with your ticket. Another thing you can do after completing the onboarding tasks is to link your GAX account. So click your profile icon and click account settings. If your GAX account isn't linked, you will see the option to bind your GAX account. So follow the prompt and bind your GAX account. You can also participate in lotteries. Once you complete missions and tasks, you earn tickets. You can use these tickets to join lotteries, and if you're lucky, you can win some cool prizes. So scroll to the bottom and check for any lottery that is available. For example, if I want to participate in this lottery, I click enter competition. I enter the amount of tickets I want to use. The more tickets you join with, the greater your chances of winning. So click submit tickets once you're happy, and now you have joined the lottery. So once the lottery is over, the winners will be announced. You can check here and see if you won. You can also see the amount of tickets you've entered a lottery with. You can also complete on-chain tasks on Multiverse X DevNet to claim bounties and Astro credit. So to do that, click bounties. So here you can see the Knight of Catena. This is a game. You can click proceed, follow the prompts, install the game, and complete the on-chain tasks to claim your bounties. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll only be focusing on the Atom Protocol DevNet tag. So click Atom Protocol and you can see there are several tags to complete. I made a video on how to complete the DevNet tags and earn your bounties, so check it at the top of the screen and follow the guide. On the flight deck, you can get your referral code to invite your friends. So click flight deck and scroll to the bottom to get your referral link. So you can copy your link and invite your friends to join the Space Race campaign. There is also a testnet, which is the high voltage testnet. Completing a testnet task gives you 100,000 Astro credits. There's already a detailed guide on how to complete the Astro testnet task. You will find the link in the description. So check it out and complete your high voltage testnet task. There's also a Telegram campaign for earning extra Astro credits. So you check out the link in the description, launch the Telegram bot, complete the easy tasks, spin the lucky wheel every 4 hours, and play the other games in the app to earn Astro credits. There is also a Discord engagement campaign. So if you join the Astro Discord, you'll find the link to join the Discord in the description. Visit the posts channel. Here you can engage with the tweets in this channel to earn points. And before you earn points here, you will need to link your Twitter account to your Discord account. To do that, visit the bot commands channel. In the text box, type the / and select the set Twitter, and here enter your Twitter username and hit enter. Now your Twitter account will be linked. So that's it about the Entity Space Race campaign. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more space race updates, mission quiz answers, crypto tips, and tutorials. Keep earning your Astro credits in the space race campaign. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.